Alright, I tell you what, I don't need an air tag or tracking tag. My children have this internal device that they just know. Mom has got on the phone, mom has sat down to film, or mom is in a serious conversation. You know what they're gonna do? Ding, bing, mom! That is my, and apparently so does the A to the L to the E to the X to the A. Hey. Anyways, hello friends, we are here to unbox the ice cream beauty box for October. Couldn't remember what month we're in. Do you like my ring? Isn't it so pretty? I will have a whole Temu haul coming where I unboxed a boatload of Temu jewelry. It was amazing. So I am going to tell y'all, we are going to get into the ice cream beauty box, but I do have a couple PR items that were sent to me that I was on top of this, because Ice Cream Beauty Box does send this to me, so thank you to Ice Cream Beauty Box first and foremost. Thank you. I'm excited to get into it. I don't remember what is coming, but Built Bar, okay, they sent me 4 of their new flavors. We've already taken out 2 of them. They just arrived yesterday, so that should tell you our thoughts on the Built Bar. Built Bar is coming out, if it's not already out, they're coming out with Red Velvet Cake Puff. Now, if you don't know the difference between the puff and the bars, the puffs are more light and airy. Think like a Milky Way, soft, yummy, delicious treat bar. That's what we had the Red Velvet Cake in. Then they have a white peanut butter bar, which is a little bit more dense, but not hard to chew, kind of melts in your mouth. I personally like to savor it and suck on it a little bit. It's so freaking good. They also have raspberry cheesecake, and this is strawberries and cream. So very yummy, delicious ones coming. I try and keep my protein up. You're gonna notice a huge difference with your hair, your skin, your body, and everything if you're making sure you're getting enough protein. A great way to do that is with Built Bar, not sponsored, but they do give us a coupon code HOTMESS. And it is an affiliate code, so thank you if you do decide to use it. You can use that on repeat. And actually, I think coming up this weekend maybe, they're having a build your box. I don't know if you're going to be able to get the new flavors in the box, but you guys, we keep these on hand. Like on hand. I love them. And yes, the white peanut butter, oh my gosh, you know what it reminded me of? Like back when I was a kid, my grandparents would get those little Halloween peanut butter candies. They were chewy, and then there was like a nougat or something in the center, and I loved them. That's what it reminded me of, and I was like, holy moly. Okay, I do have a PR unboxing coming, but of course, as soon as I had done unboxed it and I'm in the process of editing it, I had a couple other things. And can I just say, I'm not trying to brag whatsoever. I cry like a little 2-year-old when I get things, because I'm just like, I get a little shookity shock that brands even know your girl exists. So yeah, it means a whole heck of a lot to me that I receive anything. So please just don't think I'm trying to brag. But I did in that video unbox Martha from The Good Candle, her fall collection. And I'm kicking myself because it's been a bit since I've filmed that, so I need to get it done. But she's come out with 4. It was like pumpkin pie, snickerdoodle, caramello, and there's one more. I'm burning the salted caramel one right now. It smells so good. Oh, it was like apples and butterscotch. So delicious. So this is a snickerdoodle cookie. If you are looking for yummy, delicious, smells just like you baked some cookies, but you didn't because you're trying not to have a bunch of sugar because you're like pre-diabetic, insulin resistance, PCOS, and you know, life's great. It really, truly is. Just stinks that you can't really take out a dozen snickerdoodle cookies like you want to. But anyways, if you want to smell like you have, check out her candles. Code HOTMESS will save you 15% there. Thank you if you use it. Alright, we're almost done. Calm down. Hey, you know what? I always got somebody in the comment section letting y'all know when the video starts. So just check out the comment section. But be kind, because I'm not about that meanness. So this is actually from Naturium. I always say it incorrectly, and I apologize for that every single time. They had actually sent over their lip glosses. You guys, those are really nice and hydrating, by the way. But this is their Unlock the Potential Peptides. It is a whole system. Now, you can find this, of course, on their website, but also over at Target. So there's the serum, and then there's the eye cream, and then you have a moisturizer. So thank you to Naturium for sending this over. I'm definitely going to keep you guys posted on this. It's nice and affordable skincare. You guys know my obsession with Bondi Sands Technicolor, right? You guys know the emerald one is the one that I swear by, that I use. I took the quiz. That's what they recommended. And even you guys, when I use it all the time, are like, you're tan. And I'm like, Bondi Sands. Well, Bondi Sands saw your girl Lincoln and talking, and look what they sent over. Did you know they're actually going to be sold over in Walmart now? I didn't. So they sent this over, so thank you to Bondi Sands. We've got the reusable self-tan application mitt. I love this. I have it myself. I've repurchased like 2 of them. I love them. So I have one in backup again. This is the dark tanning foam. I hear it's amazing. I personally haven't tried it. This is the self-tanning foam 1 hour express. We've got the gradual tan milk, and then the self-tan, eraser. Ow. I didn't know that. I didn't read. Well, that's awesome. Thank you, Bondi Sands. Before we get in, I'm going to drag this on just a little bit more and give a big shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate you all so much. And then a huge shout out to those of you that have clicked the thanks button. This is something new that YouTube has implemented, and it's just a way that if you don't want to sign up for the monthly membership, you can just tip and donate to the channel at free will whenever you want. So thank you guys so much for that. And let's go ahead, finally, 7 minutes in. I know what you're saying. Well, hold on, it's going to be a little bit longer because I lost my scissors. Now, this is a monthly subscription. It comes to, I think, $25. Code Hotmess does save you 10% off your first box. This is not an affiliate code. Now, with that being said, this is a very makeup heavy box. It's absolutely wonderful. It's amazing, and I love it because they kind of, I feel like, specialize in indie brands. You will see brands such as OFRA Cosmetics. Which one? Oh, you know what? They actually had my liquid lippy in there. Yeah, Hotmess Momma have it on today. Actually, the whole duo have on today. Oh, and the palette. Yeah, I'm just going to give a shameless little plug here. This collection is available over at OFRA Cosmetics, and say it with me. We know the code Hotmess. You guessed it, 20% off. That is an affiliate too. Are you still with me, y'all? Thank you. I've been getting really good sleep. I'm not even gonna fib. My allergies are kicking my backside, but thank you to Zyrtec and what's that one? Flonase? Yeah, thank you, because now I can function again. They're really good about showing us indie brands that we may not have heard of before. That's how I've learned about a lot of them. So this is the October Scream Queen box. Oh my gosh, shut your pie hole. So here I'm talking about OFRA, and look what's in here. Cult favorite, Rodeo Drive, baby. Yes, I love this so much. Matter of fact, in my beauty room, I have the OG, the OG Rodeo Drive that made me fall in love with OFRA. So it's really full circle to be able to work with them. But yeah, this is an absolute gorgeous, beautiful 10 out of 10 highlighter that is going to last you a lifetime. I kid you not. I got my highlighter in like 2016. She's still there. She's still there on display. So a little information about this highlighter. You can use code HOTMESS to save yourself 20% over at OFRA. Ice Cream Beauty Box, I'm really sorry if you are watching this and you're like, for crying out loud, Rhonda, unbox the box. I'm getting here, okay? In all honesty, it's been a bit since I filmed, so I'm very chatty. I don't know if you guys picked up on that, but I'm pretty chatty. Okay, so little information on the Rodeo Drive highlighter. This is the anniversary edition by OFRA Cosmetics. It is $22. And Glow didn't exist before Rodeo Drive. This is OFRA's #1 favorite champagne highlighter. It's made with a liquid to bake formula, and it's never cakey or powdery, and it shines on and on and on. 100%. 100%. Actually have my highlighter on today. You guys can see. She's just blinding, but she melts into the skin. A little tip, the more you like blend it into your skin, the more it just becomes one with your skin. It is absolutely amazing, and it was so cool to actually get to be at OFRA and watch the highlighters be made, because it really is like liquid to powder. I don't know why my brain couldn't comprehend that until Corrine, we were walking through the factory and I saw it, and she's like, yeah, because it's liquid to powder. And I'm like, it's really liquid to powder. Wow. If you're still with me, can you hit that thumbs up button? feel free to share over on Facebook. Just not in any groups that are going to make fun of me, okay? I've been through the ringer enough. No, thank you. Ooh, what is this? The Illuminati Cosmetics. This is so perfect for October. So this is the Illuminati Cosmetics pH color changing lip gloss. It's a $20 retail value. This lip gloss is absolute magic. It appears green until you apply it to your skin. It'll change to pink, but the shades will vary depending on your skin's pH. The lip gloss itself is sparkly and glossy. That is really pretty, and if I had not just put on my lipstick, I would totally put that on, but that's okay. I really like that. I love pH changing formulas, like the Euphoria blushers. Love those. Absolutely love them. Next in here we have the Beauty Creations Color Base Primer and Blackout. So there we go there. This I'll put in a future giveaway because y'all know I'm pretty obsessed with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Bases. And then last we have the Delancey Liquid Blush. Say less. I love a liquid blush. Ooh, and I love this color. That is really pretty. Don't know why. Don't know why I continue to snip-a-rooney everything. Okay, just to make sure I don't get it on my outfit, that's where I'm gonna swatch it. That color is right up my alley, and I wonder this could be also on your lips. So it's in Arcturium After Moon, whatever. You guys know Hooked on Phonics failed me. So this has a little information, $25 retail value. It's another product where you only need a small amount of product, just 2 to 3 dots of blush should be more than enough. This product dries quickly but creates a perfect fall shade when it dries. Yeah, there's the color. It's a really pretty color. Yeah, I did do a lot on there. I just wiped it all off. It dries down quick, but I think it dries down in a way that you still have time to work with it, but I would probably just work with one cheek at a time. Just FYI on that. Alright, so last in here we got a palette. Now that is the beauty of Ice Cream Beauty Box. Every single box is going to have a palette in it. So this is the Wicked Widow Graveyard Smash palette, or it's by Wicked Willow Cosmetics. It's a $36 retail value. We are excited to introduce Wicked Willow Cosmetics into our box. This is a beloved indie brand, see I told y'all, by many. This palette features 4 mattes, 2 duochromes, and 2 shimmers. This is a magnetic palette that can be reorganized, and you can swap the shades with any other square pan Wicked Willow Cosmetics shadows. Here's what the front looks like. Perfect once again for October. Ooh, this is pretty. You guys want to see? My bad. I love this. Automatically, that's right where my eyeballs gravitate. I love this. This is honestly, this is really pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch this up. You know what I really like about the way that they put it together too? Is I feel like user-friendly, top 4, bottom 4, or up and down 4 on either side. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not an overwhelming, colorful palette. Because you guys know your girl really struggles with colors, especially if they're in a palette where it's like my brain has to overthink it. You know what I mean? So let me just put them all. Oh yeah, the matte, beautiful. Ooh, shifty. Oh, this is pretty. I feel like too with this palette, you could use these shades, like just two shades on the lid, and you've got a look. This is a really nice formula. Really nice formula. I love the color story. I think this is very pretty. I really, really like that. And I feel like this color too, great inner corner highlight, but also just a really good highlight in general. I'm really excited over this palette. I feel like this is a good, whether you are like new at makeup, just dabbling in makeup, just starting to dabble in colors, or you've been in the whole different color whatever dabble for a while, I think you're really gonna enjoy this palette. For me, I feel like if I'm gonna dabble in colors, this is the way I need to see it. I don't want to be overwhelmed with colors, you know what I mean? So this is really pretty. It is in a magnetic closure. It does have a mirror in here. It's in your standard type of cardboard packaging, and I'm really happy with it. I think honestly, like looking at everything that we did receive, this was a well thought out, put together. So when you look at everything as a whole in the box, once again, we've got cohesive, we've got usable, doable products, and I'm really happy with it. I think you guys know I've been saying it even prior to my lippy being put in here, okay, just FYI. I really can tell, and I like that you can tell when a subscription box really puts thought into the products they're putting in here. You know what I mean? I feel like Ice Cream Beauty Box, we are really truly seeing that when they are putting their boxes together, it's very much cohesive. They're not afterthought products. It's just, you guys are doing a beautiful job. Like, hands down, you're doing a wonderful job. And I love the fact that they're giving us brands that we've never heard of before, and they're giving those indie brands opportunities to be seen and get out there. And that, to me, is what makes Ice Cream Beauty Box very successful. So let me know your thoughts down below, and I will definitely be playing around with this. How do you guys think Ice Cream Beauty Box is doing? I'm really excited to see the growth of Ice Cream Beauty Box. I think they are definitely becoming, hands down, one of the most popular, more popular known subscriptions out there, and that makes me really happy because I love to see good people deserve good things. So anyways, friends, that's all for today's unboxing. If you want to sign up for Ice Cream Beauty Box, I will have a link down below, and of course you can use code HOTMESS. Again, not an affiliate. I will have everything else linked down below, such as the Naturium, the Built Bars, the Good candles. If you are interested in Bondi Sands, all of that will be listed and linked down below. And of course, if you're interested in my collection with OFRA Cosmetics, you know that's gonna be down there too, so it never goes away. If you like my outfit, I will have that listed and linked. I just did a Free People haul over on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I had some of y'all requesting to do some different brands over there, so I did, and I fell in love with this, and I'm gonna be in trouble, I can tell you that right now. So anyways, friends, thank you once again to my YouTube members. Thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button. Check me out on my other channels, of course, on TikTok and on Instagram at hotmessmomma4. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
I just wanna go dance. Baby, find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right.